All right, Tim, take a look at the VEVOR tire bead breaker. Okay, so there it is. Now, let me just tell you, if you ever tried to break a bead on a tire before and you got those like long leverage pry bar type of things, breaking a bead on a tire is way more difficult than you would think it would be. But I've seen people struggle with a 4-foot breaker bar trying to break a bead and still not being able to do it. So a tool like this, it's just insane to me how much nicer a tool like this can be. Now, this is one thing that I do like. So this pin is what holds this on, and then they actually have a cotter pin on here. So in an emergency, if everything was going wrong, you could pull that cotter pin, could knock that pin out, and you'd be able to release this. So that's pretty cool. I can tell just by holding this thing, this is a super heavy duty, very beefy tool. This is not light. This thing is going to do some work. The way this works, all of this is going to want to go underneath the rim of the tire, and then this is going to go down and it's going to push on that tire to break that bead. You don't want that to slip off, so this is going to hook onto the inside of the rim. So the very first thing you want to do is you want to tighten this up, and as you do that, that is going to push that tooth down. See it coming down? Then you tighten that down so it's holding onto the inside, and then when you turn this, that is going to push that tire down. So very easy thing to work, and you get just so much pressure, so much power out of a tool like this that if you were trying to do that, and on top of just like the power, the fact that I can fit this thing on a shelf is kind of insane. Like, I've seen people invest workbench sized portions of their shop just for breaking the beads on tires. This thing I can carry around with me. So that's fantastic. So yeah, if you're a DIY guy and you want to find yourself working on tires, this is a must-have tool. This is going to make your life so much easier.